Coming up on this episode of The Track, landscape equipment and support with RDO and John Deere compact construction equipment. Dennis Howard sits down with Regional Sales Manager Brian Holland to talk about the landscape industry, landscape equipment, and how RDO supports landscapers across numerous states and segments within the industry.
Hello, I'm Dennis Howard with RDO Equipment Company. Thanks for watching The Track. Today we have Brian Holland with us, CCE Sales Manager for Texas. Brian, thanks for being here.
Dennis, thanks for having me.
You know, one of the things I wanted to talk to you about today was a segment of this compact construction equipment market, which is a large segment of it, which is landscapers.
Yes.
So explain to me, when I say landscapers, what is that? What are landscapers?
A misconception is a landscaper is a mower, just someone that's out there mowing, edging, and weed eating. That's not so much the case. You have the segment that you've got guys putting in sprinkler systems, putting in fences that are using our 35G with an auger bit to put in poles for the fencing. You've got your plumbers putting in the pipe with an auger attachments that can go on a skid steer. There's different segments of the landscaping that's not just mowing.
So if I'm doing business with RDO Midwest, I'm probably familiar with the stores because I'm probably at least looking at the John Deere lawnmowers.
Yes.
And I'm going to the stores. Texas in the Southwest, Arizona, California, Texas might be a little different because they don't have the ag stores and the construction stores in the same building. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, so if I'm a landscaper and I need to find a product to put pipe in the ground, how would I do that?
We have mini excavators, we have compact track loaders, and we have skid steers. And with those three items, they all are available to run attachments. And the different attachments that you would use, take for example a landscaper that what they do is install grass in fields. They'll go in and clean out the plat beforehand with a skid steer, and then they could use also the skid steer to roll out the grass.
So I'm a little guy. I'm just starting out. I've been mowing lawns, and now I'm going to start putting in sprinkler systems. I can't afford a $100,000 piece of equipment. What do I do?
That's not true. That's not true. Let's look at some options that we do. Through John Deere Financials, we do give you options. Landscaping business might not be as busy in, let's say, December, January, and February. You could skip up to 3 payments a year if we designate them up front. If you need to do 90 days, no payment to start off with, if you're just getting started and cash flow is that important to you, then let's use that. We offer 0%, 0 down, 36 months, 48 months, 6 months. We offer different options for you that suit your business the best.
And I can get this on new or used equipment?
New or used.
So how used would be the used equipment we're talking about?
Well, the great thing about with RDO, we have a large rental fleet, and we don't really consider them used, we just consider them houred.
Okay.
And these machines have been in our rental fleet that we have serviced, we have warranty on, we're available to add warranty to it. They usually have anywhere from 500 to 1,000 hours before when we pull them out to make them available for sale. The benefit of that is we have cost these machines down due to the hours, and that we still have John Deere discounts that we can still apply because they're considered new. So even though you're calling it used machines, let's call it houred machines.
So you said warranty, would it have the same warranty as a new tractor?
A new machine comes with 24 months, 2,000 hours from the day that we sell it or the day we put it out on rent. And it's bumper to bumper warranty. So if during that time, if it still has the manufacturer base warranty, we could add powertrain and hydraulics, we could add full comprehensive. It's whatever works best for you.
And that'd be John Deere's warranty?
Absolutely, which is transferable to any dealership across the United States.
So let's say I was in Arizona and I bought a machine and I was using it and I got the opportunity to take it to Fargo, North Dakota to blow snow.
Yes.
And obviously I wouldn't have a snow blower in Phoenix. Could I buy a snow blower and put on it?
You could buy it, you could rent it, it's whatever you needed. If you're just coming up here for the winter and you needed to rent a snow blower, we could rent it to you also.
How would I know it fit the tractor?
They're universal. The couplers on the skid steers are universal. So it could be brand X, it could be a John Deere snow blower. It's whatever fits the machine, it'll fit all.
So if I'm a landscaper, I'm going to need a skid steer. I may need a trenching attachment. I may need a backhoe. I may need a rake. I may need a mulching head. There's a lot of different attachments I could need. I only want one carrier. I mean, can RDO help me with all those attachments?
Absolutely, and you don't have to buy them all at once. We offer financing on those also. We have different packages that we could offer you up to 24 months, if you want to do a 36-month financing. John Deere Financial will offer financing on those attachments as well.
If I had a used John Deere skid steer and I
Yes.
wanted to buy a new piece to put on it because I got a big job, could you help me hook it up, show me how it works, help me understand if that's the right piece for my job?
Absolutely. Our sales professionals, not only in Texas, but in the Midwest and the Southwest, are trained how to run the machine, trained how to set up the attachments, do a rock around with you, go out on the job with you for the first time, and help you run that piece of attachment with your machine that you already own, and to make sure that it is all set up properly.
And you would sell me that attachment away from, if I already had the machine, you'd still
Absolutely.
sell me the attachment?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes. We want to partner with you. We want to make sure your company's growing, that you're getting bigger, and that you're coming back for us, not just for one, for two, for three, but we want to be a lifetime partner with you, making sure your business is successful.
That's great.
Yes.
Brian, thank you very much. A lot of very good information. I'm Dennis Howard, RDO Equipment Company. Thanks for watching The Track.